Hello all, today I'm going to show you the demo of Doorbell. So in the previous video I was showing you the Tinkercad circuit. So in the circuit I have used resistor, but in actual demo I'm not using any resistor. Instead, and also no 5 volt as I was showing you on the Tinkercad. Instead, the ground, if you see here, the pin, this push button pin, one pin is connected to ground here and the other pin connected to 2, and buzzer anode is connected to 13 and cathode is connected to ground. So it's very simple circuit. So I'm pressing the button now and you can see. Thanks for watching.